Hey Jetty Rockers, welcome back to Jetty Rocks Fishing. I'm out here today with Captain Bill.
What's up, guys?
We just found a heck of a rip with some nice weeds in it. So we're gonna set out some lines and we're gonna do some dolphin trolling, y'all.
Pump it up.
Dolphin, wahoo, sailfish, anything like that, blackfin tuna. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna get these rods set out, guys, and hopefully we will hook up real soon. Jetty Rockers, if you could go ahead and go over to jettyrocks.com. You can check out some of these cool hats that we have over there. We also have some tackle available, and we will have more available soon. And also, guys, if you want to book a charter with me, you can book a charter there, because I am now running charters. So all my information is on that website, so go check it out, y'all, and you can be in your own very own Jetty Rocks fishing video. I hope to see you guys soon out on the water with me. Let's get back to the video. All right, guys, so we got all our rods set out. We're just trolling this rip. We got 2 bonitas down, we got a shotgun out, and we got some surface rods out with some ballyhoo. Now it's just a waiting game.
I was ready, Paul.
All right, guys, we gave up on the trolling, so now we're gonna do some bottom dropping.
You do it first.
Let it fly?
I got another rod though.
Nope, hold
Stand
on.
by, don't drop yet.
All right, guys, we're dropping down 240 feet. Just hooked up. Oh, just pulled it.
Yeah.
That was a heck of a hit right there, Mark.
Send it back down. Maybe that other bait.
It looked like something had some size.
Yeah.
I think I'm hooked up. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think I'm on anybody.
Do you have any bites, Mike?
I think I'm on. I think I got a fish on.
Forgot what that feels like. Yeah, you're fighting something. There's definitely a fish.
Looks like Mike D's got something on. Let's see what he's got.
Probably a grunt in 200 feet of water.
I say we have 2 people on the other side. Fish.
Yeah, fish on one side boat.
Yeah.
Good time.
Yeah. Maybe 3 if we make it all the way in front. It sucks we don't learn to boat anyway. You all right, dude?
Yeah.
Struggling here?
Fat. I'm used to only fishing at 70 feet of water, not 240.
Oh, yeah. That's 4 times the reel.
Probably a 2-pound red eye.
It's like pulling a beer out of a cooler.
Sure you got a fish on, bro?
Yeah.
Trigger.
Nice trigger.
Nice one.
Hey, I know Babe's jealous right now.
Nice trigger.
Trigger. That is a nice one, man. Got a nice trigger in the boat. All right.
Heck yeah.
Get set up on this.
All right.
I've entered the building.
Trigzilla.
Let me see that bad boy there.
Trigzilla.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
That is
Nelly might fight you for that fish. She loves trigger fish.
Probably one of my favorites.
We're on there,
Go ahead and someone drop. All right, we got a fish right here.
cranking in the rod.
Come on, Easton.
Get it.
That's a good fish. Well, that's a big fish.
Yeah, it's got something to it.
Get it, buddy, get it. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish.
Nice. Get it, boy, get it.
Get it, get it.
He's going to town on him. Is that on a herring head?
It was squid.
Squid?
Get something in the boat. Looks like Nelly might have something on. You got something, Nelly?
That's all right. Keep going. Keep going. You gotta keep going, buddy.
I know it's a long way down, ain't it, buddy? 250 feet of water.
Don't let it win.
You can do it.
It'll stop burning in a couple minutes.
Oh man.
Come on, we don't want to give this bad boy shark. You got a fish?
Oh gosh, he got a big fish.
Oh, there, Mark's got something on. Mr. Flailer over here.
On the Snoopy rod.
On the noodle rod, so we got noodle rod with a fish. We got. Come on, you got it, buddy.
We got 2 fish on now. He's got a little inshore rod he's using down there.
I'm almost full just because of the big.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Dad with the assist. You all right, Houston? You're all right, buddy.
There we go. Look how big that thing is. Whoa.
What is that?
I don't know.
Big old red one.
Big red.
Well, figures, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Is that a cuda one? Then?
Was that a cuda?
Another red snapper right there.
Another red one?
All right. We're gonna unhook these bad boys and throw them back in.
Yep. Dropping down again. What Cam got over here? Still got him?
Yeah. Oh,
Big old sea bass.
He ain't legal.
Oh, that's 13.
I want to measure a nice little sea bass. Just say I don't want some of this.
Oh, I got something. I think.
You gotta be 13, right?
Yeah, 13.
On the jig.
Yeah, I can probably cut that weight down.
I just don't have like that.
Little worm. Got a dolphin right here playing. A couple of them. Hey guys, well we're back in. It's the next day. It's the day after the trip. So what we're gonna do real quick, guys, I only got that one trigger fish out of that trip, out of that section of the trip. We actually did some AJ fishing earlier in the day, and that's in a different video. But then we tried some bottom fishing, we tried trolling for dolphin, and it just really never panned out for us because it was just super rough out there. But we did get that nice trigger, so we're gonna clean it and we're gonna do a catch and cook, y'all. All right guys, well we are back home. We didn't do as good as we were hoping. It was really rough out there, but we ended up catching a couple fish, and I did get this really nice trigger fish. So I'm going to show you how I clean trigger fish. Just kind of a normal way of cleaning fish. Their skin's really tough, kind of like leather. Do the best you can getting through here. And then just like every other fish, right where that fin meets, I kind of push it through, push down, come through, and we just follow that rib cage. I'm just going to go over the rib cage if we can, just like that. Cut this off. Their skin is tough, y'all. Hear that? It's like leather, but their meat is absolutely delicious. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bake this tonight. Take a little pin bones out right there. Take that out. Shave a little bit of that off. And there we go, y'all. That's a really nice triggerfish fillet. Well, all right, y'all. I got my triggerfish right here. My 2 triggerfish fillets. And I do have some amberjack, just so we have enough for everybody to eat tonight. But this ain't an amberjack catch and cook. This is a triggerfish catch and cook. So I'm gonna put 2 sticks of butter in here. We're gonna do it without the paper though. There we go, no paper. Y'all can put as much butter as you want, not use butter. That is totally up to you. But we like it with butter. And this is real unsalted butter. Or salted butter, I'm sorry, not unsalted. This is real butter salted. And that's just what we like, so it's personal preference. I'm gonna put some lemon juice in here, and that's it, guys. That really is everything. Just like that. Super simple. You can put some seasonings on it if you want to, but tonight I'm not gonna. We're just gonna do lemon and butter, and that's it. I got my oven preheating to 400. It's preheating now. I'll put it in at 400 for 25 minutes, and that'll be good to go. All right, guys. Fish is done. So I gotta get it out. It's been 25 minutes. I put it in for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. So we are gonna see if it's good. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. It's definitely done. I'll try it. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Alright guys, I got some jasmine rice right here. I'm going to take a big old fillet of my triggerfish right here. Right there. And this is actually going to go to Amber. I'll put a little bit of lemon butter on top of the rice, because that's how we like it. Like that. Very simplistic. You can put seasonings on it. Like I said, just tonight we decided not to. We just wanted it just like that. That's going to go to Amber, and I'm going to taste test that real quick. All right, let's taste this real quick. Get a nice little chunk of triggerfish. Look how flaky that triggerfish is. Oh my goodness. There we go. Come here. All right, we got it. Look at that. Look how flaky that is, y'all. I'm gonna make a mess of that butter, I can tell. All right, well, here we go, guys. Y'all, that's just stupid. That's about the closest to crab meat you're ever gonna get without it actually being king crab or snow crab. That is so good. Kind of sucks for me because Summer's going to have that. That's going to be Summer's piece now. And I'm going to be eating the amberjack. Amberjack is good now, but it is not as good as triggerfish. Triggerfish is absolutely incredible. It's one of my favorite eating fish. I love it fried. I love it baked. I like it on the grill. It is just a phenomenal tasting fish. So if you ever get a chance to get triggerfish, you can even get it in your local seafood market. You can buy triggerfish fillets. You don't even have to go fishing for them. I've even had it in some restaurants here in town. Sometimes they have triggerfish. It's just an excellent eating fish. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching it. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all for tuning in for every video, for commenting on the videos, even for y'all that come out and see me when I'm out there fishing. And for those of you subscribers who have booked charters with me, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate that. Until I see y'all again, tight lines, Jetty Rockers, and I will see you guys on the next one.